the Air Products and Controls Duct Smoke Detector Training. The duct smoke detector samples air moving through an HVAC duct. When the smoke threshold is exceeded, the duct smoke detector may be used to shut down the air handling units, close and open smoke dampers, activate exhaust systems, and activate a fire alarm signal, depending on what functions are required. The main purpose of a duct smoke detector is to reduce the spread of smoke, preventing injury and death. On a lesser scale, it also prevents damage from the recirculated smoke. Why Air Products and Controls? We make our detectors with the contractor in mind. They are easier to install and maintain, which saves on costs. These detectors are also made in the USA, employing American workers in our Michigan facility. Our duct smoke detector product line includes the SL2000 No Tools series, SM501 conventional 4-wire series, RT3000 NEMA 4X watertight series, and the HS100 special application series. The sampling tube offering includes the fast tube sectional sampling tubes and the STS and STN metal tube series. The SL2000 is a conventional 4-wire duct smoke detector, offered with a twist-in photoelectric sensor, which is field replaceable and has a built-in filter. There is a test port valve that is for quick testing with aerosol smoke. This self-closes so the chamber remains sealed after testing is complete. 4 captive thumb screws remove the cover quickly and with no tools required. The label, including the brand, model, and sensor type, is located on the front cover. The wiring diagram is affixed to the inside cover, which saves time for the installers and servicing technicians. Universal voltage, including 24 volts AC, DC, 120, and the higher range of 230, is available all in one SKU. A test and reset button is available to reset the unit with the cover on. The LED indicators on the board are easy to understand. Red equals alarm, green equals pilot, and off equals trouble. The cover switch provides instant feedback when the cover is removed. A red gasket around the sensor chamber becomes clearer as the cover is tightened. This gives an added visual indication when the cover is properly tightened. The detector features 2 Form C relay contacts, allowing the detector to alarm, close dampers, and a myriad of other functions based on the application. The detector can be mounted horizontally or vertically, allowing for multiple applications, such as round ducts. The SM501 is a 4-wire conventional duct smoke detector. This detector is also offered with photoelectric heads, have universal voltage that includes the higher range of 230 volts AC. The SM501 features a test and reset button to reset the unit with the cover on. The LED indicators on the board are the same easy to understand as the SL2000 detectors. Red equals alarm, green equals pilot, and off equals trouble. This series has a steel back enclosure with a clear Macrolon cover. The SM501 features 2 C contacts and ample room for wiring. The RT3000 is a conventional 4-wire NEMA 4X rated weather-tight duct smoke detector. As with the standard duct smoke detectors, the RT features photoelectric heads. The RT is the HVAC industry's first and only NEMA 4X rated self-enclosed duct smoke detector. It is watertight and corrosion resistant, perfect for coastal applications or corrosive environments such as where acid rain is present. The front label indicates the brand, model, sensor type, operating range, velocity range, and the air differential range for the sampling tubes. Though typically an outdoor unit, the RT also features the test port valve. Since the test port closes up after use, the chamber will remain sealed. The cover LEDs are raised to allow 180-degree visibility. The RT3000 also features a test and reset button to manually test and reset at the unit. The LEDs indicate alarm, pilot, and trouble. The RT3000 has a maintenance mode that offers a 3-minute interval for test and maintenance functions with no extra trouble reports to the system. The maintenance mode automatically shuts off when the cover latch engages or after 3 minutes, whichever is first. For cover removal, there is a latch that releases the cover. Once released, a cover tether holds the cover to the unit. As with the SL2000 detector, the wiring instructions are affixed to the inside, but they are fixed so that when the cover is hanging from the tether, the instructions are right side up for the contractor to reference. Dedicated terminal blocks allow for easy wiring. The detector is also universal voltage with the higher voltage range. The detector can be mounted horizontally or vertically, and the sampling tubes are staggered to allow for drainage for any condensation buildup that may occur. The RT3000 also features 2 Form C relay, allowing the detector to alarm, close dampers, and other functions based on the application. The HS100 series is a low to no flow special applications duct smoke detector. It is designed for applications where standard duct smoke detectors cannot be used. Air shafts, plenum spaces, and applications with no air velocity are typical applications for this unit. Offered in photoelectric models, the heads are interchangeable. As with the other air products and controls duct detectors, the HS100 is universal voltage in 24 volts AC and DC, 115 volts AC, or 230 volts AC. Instead of using sampling tubes, this unit is mounted inside the ductwork. There is a board on the base of the unit to wire the AHU like a standard duct detector. Unlike competitor models, this unit comes as one unit out of the box and has the capability to wire all of the APC remote accessories, including remote test stations. The APC duct smoke detector line is complemented by remote accessories, sampling tubes, and testing products. Remote accessories are usually required by inspectors and save time and costs. If a duct smoke detector is not wired to a fire alarm system or a remote test station, when the unit goes into alarm, the end user would have to manually reset the unit, usually located in a ceiling or a rooftop. Providing remote accessories is an easy way to provide excellent customer service and added benefits to the end user. Please remember, only Air Products and Controls remote accessories are compatible with APC duct smoke detectors. Sampling tubes are required for installation on the standard and weather-tight duct smoke detectors. The length of the duct determines the length of the tube. Sampling tubes must extend a minimum of 80% of the duct width, and any tube over 3 feet must be supported. Air Products and Control detectors are easy to test. Generally, duct smoke detectors should be tested with a magnet, with test smoke gas, the test reset button, with a magnehelic pressure gauge to sample the air differential through the tubes, and with a remote test station. Why is Air Products and Controls the better duct smoke detector product line? The detectors are easier to install and maintain. The covers are removed with either 4 screws, 4 thumb screws, or a lever. The staggered wiring or the terminal blocks make the wiring quick and easy. APC is proudly designed, manufactured, and distributed out of our Auburn Hills, Michigan facility. We offer a tech support portal for self-service troubleshooting, contractor training through our local manufacturers reps, no minimum orders, and all of the shipments are made to order. For more information, please see our website at apcfire.com and our YouTube channel, APC Air Products and Controls. Remember to like, follow, and share.